તમને કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચન હોય તો એ બધા ક્વેશ્ચન પણ પૂછી શકો. આમાં કેવું છે કે અમે મતલબ પર્સનલ લેવલમાં આખી ઇવેન્ટ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરીએ, બધા ઇન્ડિયામાંથી અલગ અલગ લોકોને બોલાવીએ, એટલું કામ કરીએ જેને એજ્યુકેશનમાં અમે જેટલું સ્પ્રેડ કરી શકીએ એટલું કરી શકીએ. પણ ક્યારે પણ આ મીડિયાવાળો કે ઇન્ટરનેટવાળો કે એવો રસ્તો અમે ક્યારેય અપનાવેલો નથી અને ક્યારેય એવું પણ નથી વિચાર્યું કે ભાઈ ન્યૂઝપેપરમાં આપીએ તો આનાથી કંઈ ફાયદા થાય. અમે બસ બધા લોકોને ભેગા કરીએ છીએ અને એના પાછળ એફર્ટ આપીએ છીએ. પણ તમે કીધું એ પ્રમાણે એ કરવાથી પણ મને લાગે છે કે બહુ બધો ઇમ્પેક્ટ પડશે.
અત્યાર સુધીના કોઈ પોઝિટિવ એક્સપિરિયન્સ કે કંઈ છોકરાઓને શેર કરી શકો છો?
પોઝિટિવ એક્સપિરિયન્સમાં જેમ કે ગયા વર્ષે 2 જણાને આમની મેઇન યુએસની કંપની છે એમાં નોકરી મળી કે જે બન્યા ભારતના પહેલા વ્યક્તિ કે જે મેઇન કંપની છે એના એમ્પ્લોયી છે, એમના પગારદાર છે. આના ઉપર ઘણા બધી કંપની છે કે જે કંપનીઓને કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ મળે કે જેમાં ફોરેનની કંપની સાથે કામ કરે છે. તો એવા ઘણા બધા લોકો છે કે જે લોકો એમની જોબમાં વધારે શું સારી રીતે કામ કરી શકે એ બધાના નોલેજ મળ્યા. તો મેઇન આ બધી વસ્તુઓ છે જેની મદદથી આ લોકોને પોઝિટિવ ઇમ્પેક્ટ મળે.
તો આ લોકો સ્ટડી ટૂર કે એવું કંઈ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરે છે?
યા એ કરે છે. હું આમને જ કોઈ એક્ઝામ્પલ આપશે કે they are asking that as an education.
Yeah, it's interesting because India has always been, well, for a long time, has been the #1 source of traffic to Laravel.com. So Laravel development framework has been popular in India for many years. And so it was a really great thing to bring LaraCon to India because it's our biggest community. So it's exciting, I think, for developers from the United States, from Europe, to come and see the passion of the Indian Laravel community. They love to build things, they love to ship things, they love to get excited about web development. And so it's always just a lot of fun and a big honor to come here and share with them.
Yep. So, જેમને આઈડિયા આવ્યો એના સિવાય as a community, and I told them that this is the first time we invited press, and instead of traveling everyone, 1,000 people cannot travel overseas, so I requested all the foreigners to come here and do the knowledge exchange and care about opportunities. So maybe you can share to them what is
As far as stuff like conferences and things.
apart from conference like your Laravel.
We can exchange the study tour programs. He's asking about that.
Things like LaraCast. We have a website called LaraCast which has over 10,000 educational videos about how to do Laravel development, web development, front-end development. There's also courses on Laravel both in the United States and in Europe in universities. I'm not sure about India, I think India as well. And then of course YouTubers, Instagram, Facebook, posters that make educational content about the framework. Many different community members make this kind of content and put it out every week, every day almost.
ઓકે. વેરીઝ કરી શક્યા.
યુથનો જનરલ ક્વેશ્ચન એ હોય છે કે એઆઈના ટાઈમમાં અમારી જોબનું શું અને અમારે કઈ વસ્તુ શીખવી અને દરરોજ એટલું બધું નવું શીખવાનું આવે છે તો એ લોકો કન્ફ્યુઝ થઈ જાય. તો અહીંયા ઇવેન્ટમાં આવીને એ લોકોને ખબર પડે છે કે અમારે શું શીખવાનું છે, કઈ રીતે શીખવાનું છે અને એને આગળ કઈ રીતે લઈ જવાનું છે કે જેની મદદથી એ લોકો એમનું સારું ફ્યુચર અને કરિયર બનાવી શકે.
તો તમે એવું ના કહી શકો કે આ
Taylor Otwell, I'm the creator of Laravel, the PHP framework. It's the most popular PHP framework in the world. It's used for building general purpose web applications for businesses, education, all sorts of different sectors. LaraCon is a conference that happens around the world annually to bring together developers that build Laravel applications. We have a conference in the US, in Europe, in India, and in Australia. And developers come here to learn how to build Laravel applications, to network with other developers, to meet with sponsors or maybe even employers. And Laravel helps people build web applications very quickly. We give people lots of tools to work with databases, AI, security, encryption, all sorts of different things that web applications need. And it helps people build and web applications very quickly and be productive and to even start their own businesses. I started my own company using Laravel, which has now grown to 90 people and spread out all over the world. So developers use it to further the career and to build really amazing things.
How Gujarat will be helpful to you and to us also you will be helpful.
What's that?
How the Gujarat, the state,
Yeah.
so how this state is helping?
Yeah, so India, as I said before, has always been the #1 source of web traffic for Laravel. We have the most developers in India, and a lot of them are centered around Ahmedabad. So we have a really passionate Laravel community here, and we thought this was a great place to have LaraCon. And we always have a great turnout of nearly 1,000 developers every year that come here to learn not only from developers that come in from overseas, but even speakers from here in India to talk about the best practices in Laravel web development.
So, what do you see future about Gujarat?
Hopefully very good things. The city, I love the city. It's always fun to come here. There's lots of energy. The developers always have good enthusiasm. They're ready to learn. They're ready to level up their career. So I hope good things for Gujarat and Ahmedabad.
Okay, thank you. Gujarat, share the experience working here and how you feel about it.
I came here for LaraCon, our web development conference. We have almost 1,000 developers here. They come to learn about Laravel. I always like coming here because they're very enthusiastic. They're ready to learn. They like to build things. They're always excited to tell me about what they build. And so it's a good place to network, to meet people, to meet the sponsors, to meet the lawyers that are here and learn about what people are doing.
So, what are the queries and how you are going to solve the queries about the youngsters?
People start learning web development very young these days. Like I started when I was 12 years old, building my first websites, and now I'm almost 40 years old. And it's the same for many people here, right? They start when they're young and they start learning online, using online videos, online training courses, and then by the time they're in university, they sometimes already know quite a bit about web development. So it's very interesting how young people start these days, and I think it's actually very exciting. It gives them so much opportunities in their life.
So, what are the opportunities for the employment, and after this training, how they are going to get the employment, how they are going to start?
Yeah, so I think coming to LaraCon is a good place because employers come here looking for developers. So if you come to the conference and you're meeting people during lunch or during networking events, you can talk to them about what they need. You can make connections with employers, get interviews. So this is a good place to meet people that need developers.
So, up till now, how many have connected you and how you are going to solve them?
How many have contacted me for
that's
employment?
Right.
Well, we hire, we're currently up to 90 employees myself, and we just hired our first developer in India. So we're a United States-based company, but we just hired our first Indian web developer to work for us just a few months ago. So even we're starting to hire globally, and I think the quality of Indian web developers is only increasing every year. So I'm excited to see what this community continues to do.
Any study tools or anything is there for abroad?
Yeah,
so you can exchange your ideas and...
Yeah. LaraCast.com has over 10,000 videos where people can learn all sorts of topics about web development and Laravel.
Okay, thank you for Gujarat.
Thank you.
Yes.